So you can probably hear music and stuff, and it's because I'm at my friend Alexis's house. Well, not her house, her uncle's house, but they have a swimming pool, and we've been swimming all day. And look how red I am. I wore sunblock. Like, look how red my chest is. It's really red. Just want to make a little vlog, because I haven't vlogged for a little bit. So yeah, I'm hiding the camera so that, well, my phone, so that they don't think that I'm taking pictures of myself. Look how red I am. I'm gonna be tan. Okay, I'm gonna go now. She looks like she's dead, but she's not.